Hello everyone, metablriger recently made a small update, adding the feature of mirroring BS, which can greatly improve the efficiency of modifying BS. Let's demonstrate below. First, import the model. Here we import the eyeball, head and teeth, and we need to make sure our model must be roughly symmetrical along the x-axis. We then check if the size and axial direction of our model are correct. You can see that the width of our head is 0.299 meters. The model size of the head is correct. Then the rotation is 90, the scale is 1. Translations are all 0. It means that the axial direction of the model is also correct. Below is to start generating DNA. This part is what the previous tutorials are. I won't tell too much. After DNA is produced, we start loading DNA. Hidden unused models. Then we topos with tilde left eye closed control. We found that the left eye was not closed tightly. Let's demonstrate below. Modify the left eye closed BS. Make it close. Then how to mirror it to the right eye closed. First, let our head model be activated. Then, find BS with a value of 1 in shape key. Let the left eye closing BS be activated and then enter Edit mode to modify. Make it completely closed. Soft selection modification is used here. Since I'm not a professional model artist, so my fix here is just a demonstration. What needs to be reminded here is, blink L must be selected to make it active. In this way, the change of the vertex can be correctly. Save to blink LBS. To finish, you can click Mirror Activated Blend Shapes. Mirror it to the right. We haven't clicked here yet, so the effect had not been seen yet. Now we are back to object mode. Click Mirror Actived Blend Shapes. At this time, we will find that the right eye has been automatically modified. We can activate blinker BS. Then use a smooth brush. Continue to fix it simply. In this way, our eyes closed will be fixed at the same time, improving the repair efficiency. Similarly, we can repair other objects. All operations are similar. First, let the object be activated. Then select the BS that needs to be modified, and after the modification is completed, go back to object mode and click Mirror Activated Blend Shapes, and the add-on will help us automatically mirror BS. Similarly, let's fix other eye attachment. We first select the eye attachment to make it active. Then find blink LBS. Select it to make it active. Then edit it under soft selection mode. After editing, go back to object mode and click Mirror Activated Blend Shapes. Then the add-on will help us automatically mirror BS. We can modify the mirrored BS. Make some modifications. This can greatly improve the efficiency of our modification of BS. Similarly, we fixed other objects. Let's go back to pose mode and observe it. The effect of our repair. We can modify some BS in a few minutes. At this time, we can repair another mouth-related BS. We found that our mouth and teeth were mold. We can fix the BS in the mouth. Let's pull it outward as a whole. After modification, go back to object mode and click mirror active blendshape. At this time, we can symmetrical the deformation to the right. Finally, let's demonstrate modifying eyelashes. Actually, it is not recommended to use this mirror tool to modify eyelashes, because its mirror will have some incorrect deformation effect. Here we demonstrate the incorrect effect. We use soft selection. First, drag the root position of the eyelashes on the left eye to the approximately correct position. Then return to object mode. Click Mirror Active Blend Shapes. We found that the deformation of the right eyelashes after mirroring is not very correct. So it is not recommended to modify eyelashes in this way. The tutorial ends here. Thanks for watching.